Hello, welcome back. We are on the way out the door. It's a very, very warm, muggy, oh, let me adjust this exposure, hot Sunday, and we have a long-awaited project underway. And I'm very excited because it is something that I have waited for a while. And I don't know what is going on with this camera and the exposure. There we go. Maybe that's better. I waited for a while. I'm not going to say what it is yet because I want you guys to see it when we show it to you. So should we do any hints?
Sure.
What do you want to say? Darren doesn't like being in front of the camera, and truth be told, neither do I. But there are several of you who have asked us about this recently.
A project.
It is a project that we started. This darn camera. It's a project that we started and
Before lambing season.
haven't had much of a chance to do anything with it until now. It had multiple parts that needed to come together, and we still don't have all of the parts together, but we have a couple of the major players, and that's what we're going to share with you as soon as we get this last part and yeah, get it together. So I'll check back in with you later. And we have arrived at the donation bin. If you're anything like us and we ride around until we have a place to take it, these have been overflowing over the summer. So this is the first time we've been to one that we could actually fit the bags in. So we're really happy to get these out. And Community Aid is I don't know if they're national or if they're just local. They do a lot of good things in our community. So yeah, we're happy to give them our donations. Just leaving. Can you tell where I am without me telling you where I am? That's your next hint. Here is another part to the project we're working on. I'm sure you can figure out what it is just by looking at it. I will wait until we bring it in to say what and where it came from. But I just wanted to show you guys. This is one of the parts, and there's another part sitting behind it, but I don't want to show that to you yet. I'm in the garage. Yeah, so stay tuned. So I'm not quite sure where I left off in the video with our project that we're working on. This is the progress we've made today. And actually, it's the next day. I'm getting ready to go meet a massage client this morning, and Darren and my dad are actually going to be working on this project. So if you've followed us for a while, you know what this project is. It's a part of our kitchen renovation, and I'm not going to tell you what they're doing because I want you to see the progress. I'll film that when I get back. I'll ask Darren to film while I'm gone to show you what he's going to do. But in the meantime, this is what has gotten started. These are just screws and tools and things that they're using, and we will see how far they get when I get back, so stay tuned.
So you can see I've created quite a mess here. I've got the countertop off, got the dishwasher out. I have the one set of cabinets disconnected, and the last thing I have to do is get this sink base out, and I don't know if you can see there, but all of the plumbing fixtures are above the plywood of the base cabinet, and that means I can't just lift it out. So I'm going to have to probably cut this out, make a big hole in this base cabinet to get the cabinet out, and so then we can put the new cabinets in. So we're making progress. So you can see we now have all the cabinets out. We've got a mess. We've got my father-in-law here helping. So Now we're going to clean up the mess, and then we will start putting cabinets back in so that we can move this project along. So we've got everything out, and we're now putting base cabinets back in, and we've got 2 out of the 3 base cabinets fastened. We have to fasten the one on the right together and get everything all level, and then we'll be ready to put the sink in.
Here's the update and what we've gotten done so far. I'm going to end the video here, so the continuation of the kitchen renovation will be in the next part. And I'm not going to say if it's part 2 or 3 or 4 even. I don't remember where we are in the series, but you'll have to watch and continue with us along this journey to see the final product. So here, let me turn you around and show you what we've gotten done. So we moved 2 counters. We moved this counter over here, and then this one over here. Don't mind my stove mess. And then this countertop, as you can see, there's a raw edge here. That was just utilized from another spot. We need to, let's see if I can lighten this up a little bit. There we go. We need to paint these cabinets, and obviously these cabinets, we're gonna put a hood here. We need to paint these cabinets, and we're swapping out the dishwasher, new countertops. We need to paint the wall, and then here she is, the beautiful, beautiful, I have named her Pearl. She is a double basin sink with a double drain board. She is from 1948. She was original to the house that she came out of. So we swapped out this cabinet and this cabinet, which were over next to the stove, and we bought this one. So all 3 of these cabinets are newly purchased, and obviously these 2 have primer on them. This one is still plain wood. I need to go ahead and paint all of those, but there she is in all of her glory. I'm so happy. I know the house is, I don't know what's happening with the focus. I'm sorry about that. I know the house is from the 60s, like 62, and this is 48, but I figured, you know, that's less than 20 years difference in time frame. So it's foreseeable, you know, and absolutely conceivable that you would have had the same sink in your house for 20 years. So yeah, this is where we are, and lots to do yet, but we will get there. So in the meantime, if you like this content and you want to follow along, please subscribe so that you don't miss anything, and we will see you with another update soon. Bye-bye.